Good morning, guys. Today I have encountered a simple problem while I was learning the React. In this case, I wanted to add an item to the cart. Okay, so I add few items to the cart. Once it I added to the cart, I want to show it inside the cart page that has been added. But upon adding it provides this error. It says objects are not valid as a React child. So it says it's found an object with keys product name. So what does it mean? It means that we tried to display a object inside of a JSX. So I have tried to display inside the item array. I mapped to get each individual items using IDE. Inside the IDE, I thought the key for the IDE first key is name and for the price. So it says that this value is an object. I mean, if you look at the surface, it should be like a primitive value. So for example, if you are this device iPhone, the iPhone name should be iPhone instead of it sets an object. So in order to check, I use this console log to print by this array. What is this array? So using the console log, I printed this array to the console. So when I checked it, it's a simple mistake. It says for the name, instead of the name iPhone, it is saved as an object. In that object, it has the key value called product name. So it's actually just it's trying to access this object instead of this name. So that's why the error occurs. So in order to fix this, we can have two fixes. The first one is, we could accept this flow and adapt to it, like saying for the name, then access the object's product name so it can get this primitive value. It's like this dot product name, and for the price, you can say price. And after saving that, we could show the values. Right, go to shop, set few values. By the way, this is not actually my project. This is something that I took from the GitHub to study. Okay, now it shows without an issue. Okay, now you might want, this is inconvenient. Yes, it's quite Apple. So how we are going to fix this? If whenever I click this button, it's going to add these values to the context API. So the problem is these arguments, because I have passing not the actual primitive name, I have been passing the entire object in this case. So instead of passing the entire object, I have to pass its value. So to make that, I have to make those change. Afterwards, it's going to pass the value. So this is the second type of fix. In order to fix this, so let's go back to the car.js. Now we no longer need to add this. It's not required because it has been saved as it is instead of an object. Now if we go to the car shop and add some items, now it will show without an issue. Yeah, that's how it's been fixed. Now if we check the console for the value, let's see, you can see now it isn't saved as it is instead of having an object to this key. So if you have any question, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching. Peace.